Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NFC Tag Reader not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if the NFC Tag Reader is not working on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply remove the case of your iPhone if it is not working properly. So I simply remove the case, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply enable NFC settings on your device. So guys, for that, open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general, and then go to airdrop from here. And from here you have to simply turn on bringing device together feature from here if it is off. So I simply turn it on, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open your shortcuts. And now you have to go to automation from here, then go to new automation, scroll it below and go to NFC. And from here check this to run after confirmation and tap on scan from here. So guys, do this, and after this check if it is working properly or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply make it sure that there is no VPN connected on your device. And if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is you have to open Sport app. And from here you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.